Hello, my name is Vineet from HashStudioz. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. This is our EMC media converter that converts RS-485 to Ethernet. Earlier it were procured from China, like USR and different companies, people are procured. But our mission is to make fully Indian media converter and also IoT devices. We are actually a product engineering company who are focused on IoT, that is Internet of Things. Our mission is to make India independent. Earlier people used to procure materials from China. Now our plan is to make things that are fully made in India.